Boy, we had a huge temperature change today. Check out how cool it was this morning. We had 52 at the station and at the Purdue Airport, 53 Monticello, 50 at Burlington, and 52 at Attica, 53 at Winnemac. But check out the high temperatures today. 92 here at the station, 94 at Fowler, and 92 at Burlington. We had a 40-degree temperature jump in West Lafayette today from 52 to 92, and this is one of the largest June temperature jumps on record. The biggest jump was 47 degrees back in 1903. In 1988, we jumped 46 degrees from the morning low to the afternoon high. Similar jumps in 1914, 1936, and we're up there with that June 10th, 1894. Now, what do all these dates have in common? All this occurred during major droughts. A lot of these days had highs in the 90s, morning lows in the 40s and 50s. When the air is dry, it behaves like air in a desert. Deserts get cold at night, but boy, they get scorching hot during the day. So a desert-like air mass in the viewing area. Tonight, that air mass remains very low humidity. This is an interesting feature, this little low spinning out here in Iowa. You know, when you get a lot of storms over an area and there's so much rising air motion, the pressure at the surface will drop. So you may actually form a bit of a low, and we've done that right here tonight. We had so many storms out in Nebraska and Kansas last night. Now this is going to wobble northeast, and with a very weak cold front kind of stalling out over our north and falling apart, we may pop an isolated storm or two tomorrow night and then again on Sunday. But coverage is only going to be around 20% because there's just not much humidity here in the area. Back to the maps we go. It's going to be a hot, hot day for tomorrow. We're talking about highs running in the mid-90s with the heat rolling on. Maybe a couple isolated storms Saturday night and Sunday. Fire danger will be with us, and with lightning strikes, it may not rain at your house, but a couple strikes may start a few grass fires. 9 days at or above 90, and then next decent chance of any storms next Friday. 45% coverage. 61 tonight Burlington after those 90s today. 64 Lafayette, 61 Winnemac, and about 62 at Frankfort. Tomorrow a hot day, but it'll be a dry heat. Mostly sunny. 94 Rochester, 96 at Monticello, 95 Lafayette, 97 Morocco and Mount Ayr, and 94 Colfax. Slightly cooler Sunday, but still most of the area at or above 90 except Rochester, Peru, but close enough at 89, 91 Lafayette, 92 at Fowler. So it's a hot pattern tomorrow, hot day tomorrow, if you will. Mid-90s, not much change in the air mass. 91 Sunday, maybe an isolated storm or two Saturday night. 2 Sunday, but only 20% coverage. Fire dangers with us all next week, but check out the highs. We stay in the 90s, 96 Wednesday, 94 Tuesday, but finally Friday, cold front will pass. We'll see some scattered storms with a high of 91. Then after that, we may actually cool into the mid-80s for a change, but I don't think that'll last long because we may have another heat wave on our hands once we edge towards the 4th of July. Yeah, and check it out, all those 90s in that forecast, and not a lot of rain. Let's hope we can squeeze out a cooling thunderstorm on Sunday.
That would be huge. That'd be huge for the whole area. Thanks, Chad.
Yep.